Welcome to your Activ8 system. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 elbow system for therapy. Let's get started with setup. First, locate the battery and charging cable included with your system. Remove the battery from the garment pocket, ensuring it is unplugged from the garment. Then, plug it into the charger. Charging can take up to 8 hours. 4 illuminated lights indicate a full charge. Once fully charged, unplug the battery from the charger and insert it into the Activ8 system pocket with the logo facing out. Connect the battery to the system using the built-in USB cable inside the garment. The USB cable can be plugged into either port on the battery. Both work the same. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 elbow system for therapy. Battery orientation is important when using the elbow device. Regardless of which elbow you are treating, the battery should rest on the outside of your upper arm to keep it away from the sensitive nerves in your forearm. Slide the device up your arm and position the therapy markers so they sit evenly on either side of your elbow joint. Pull the elastic straps around your arm to tighten. It's usually easier to pull the straps toward your body rather than away from it. Wrap the straps until you can fasten the hook and loop closure comfortably. When your therapy session is complete, gently remove the device from your body and disconnect the Activ8 battery from the system. If needed, charge the battery. A fully charged battery can last approximately 2 sessions before needing to be recharged.